Hi everyone. So something happened to me this morning and I thought, that would be a really great tip to share with my community. So I thought I'd do a video about this now. And it's something quite simple, but you know that phase you get to kind of early spring, going into spring, summer's on the horizon, and you reach for your bronzer and you put it on and it's the bronzer that's in your dressing table. It's probably last been used a lot last year. It was for me anyway. And you put it on and it's just a little bit too saturated, a little bit too red or too orangey, and it just doesn't quite work. It's like that 2 weeks sort of window where it doesn't quite work before you get into proper summer. So I'm going to show you a really quick, easy solution for that. So let me just show you the sort of thing that can happen. So you might be just ready to kind of add a bit of color. And then you're like, that is just not, I'm not there. That's not my color yet. It's just a little bit too orangey. I could imagine if I had a full tan, I could really, that would be really lovely, really lift my skin. But you just think, it's just too jarring. So my tip for this, and it's really because in my professional kit, I have various palettes of bronzers. And today I'm using kind of cream to powder bronzers, but I'm going to show you a way to do this with liquid bronzers as well. And of course, you can do it with powder bronzers too. Most of the time within my Z palettes, I actually put the contours and the bronzers together, simply because of that reason. Very often, not so much for contouring, but when I'm doing bronzing on a client, I might start bronzing them and realize, I need to add a bit of grey into that. It's just a little bit too much. So I'll go into the contour side of the palette, pick up some of the contour and sort of mix them together. And I can always adjust it and fine tune it to make the exact perfect colour that I need for them. So I did exactly the same thing with me this morning. I woke up really early. I got back from New York last night, 11 p.m, and I'd made an appointment at the hairdresser's. I just went and got my hair coloured in case you can see any dye on my scalp. And I made it early this morning, which in retrospect wasn't the best idea. Literally looked like a ghost when I woke up and was so tired. And I kind of just picked up a bronzer, put it on. I just thought, oh my God, I look bright orange. That looks terrible. But luckily I had a little bronzing stick there a little contour stick, and I mixed the two together, just buffed over the top and kind of fixed it. So that's basically the tip, and I'm going to show you now. So this is the shade I grabbed this morning, which is not mentioning the brand because I think there's nothing wrong with the brand. It was just the wrong shade for me for this time of year. If I had a very good tan, that would actually be quite vibrant and poppy. So I built it up and you can see it is too orange. I mean, I noticed straight away, so I didn't build up quite as much as that. So I'm going to show you now if I was to mix, I'm going to show you if I was to mix it beforehand or if I was just to repair this and fix this with contour. So I've actually mixed them on a palette. You don't need to do this. This is just to show you how the colour looks. So I kind of tried 50% of this orangey colour with 50% of this contour, which is, as you can see, quite grey. Also has a little bit of purple in it, which is perfect because purple and orange are on opposite sides of the colour wheel. So this purpley grey should really knock down the orange. So in actual fact, you just dip in to both, mix on the back of your hand. But just for the purposes of having a look at the colour on a white board, so just going to mix it now. I'm going to, again, just mix a little bit on the back of my hand. You do exactly the same if this was powder, by the way. And if you really are someone that doesn't have any contour, then there's different ways you can do this. You could, of course, use a little bit of a foundation that you use. If you're using more of a liquid, you could use like a tinted moisturizer. Anything that kind of just tones down the colour. So I'm getting more of that bronzy effect, but without the oranginess. But it's still not too grey. And what I can do is, if you think, actually, I do want a little bit more of the orangey, you can go back in, just dip your brush in the original one and just do a little mix like that. So now I'm going to show you what I did this morning, which was on the orange side, just going in with a little bit of the contour, blending it on the back of my hand, and then just dusting over the oranginess of it, just to take the top off. And as I say, If you're using powdered bronzer and you didn't have contour, you could even use an eyeshadow. Most people have like those cooler, more neutral contouring shades that they have on for their eyelids. And if you don't have contour and you use more of a liquid or liquid bronze or a cream bronze, as I say, you could use like a tiny dab of a winter tinted moisturizer or something that just lifts the orange or just gets rid of it. You can see that's already taken that down really well. So that's what a treat. So there you go. There is my transition shade for bronzer. Just going to show you quickly if your bronzer is a liquid bronzer or even if it's a cream and you put it on the back of your hand and you think it's just too dark for this time of year or it's just too vibrant. I'm going to show you how just adding a couple of drops of, well, this is my winter shade of tinted moisturizer. Even one drop would have been enough, but you can see straight away that that just tones it down. It just takes the orange down, it takes the intensity down, and that would probably be a really good shade now for bronzer. It's not rocket science, but it actually really does work. I use it in my kit all the time. I use it on my clients, and this morning it got me out of my jet-lagged haze and rescued me from that situation like that. Hope that was helpful. See you soon.